This is the Trust Primo 16-inch laptop bag, a cheap bag for your portable computer up to 16 inches. And today we are going to explore this bag to see if it's good and if it's worth buying this bag for your computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week, and like the video to help the channel grow. I've already shown various sizes of bags for carrying laptops, from large bags capable of carrying 2 computers, sleeves to carrying small computers, and some bags for smaller computers or tablets. But today I'm going to show you a bag that is in the middle of all of these bags, ideal for carrying any computer you have, either with 14 inches, 16 inches, light or heavy. And this is a great option that I'm going to show you. This is the Trust Primo 16-inch laptop bag for carrying computers up to 16 inches. But let's get to know the physical characteristics of this bag. Let's just turn the bag over, and this bag is closed with 2 zippers to keep everything closed. Let's open it to see inside, and inside it has a ribbon, which later we'll see in more detail, and this bag has space almost to 2 computers, or a computer and some school notebooks, which with this division allows to separate the computer from other documents, and then use the Velcro strap to hold the computer. And I'm going to put a 16-inch computer to see how it goes, but inside there's nothing else. But on the outside, there is a pocket for accessories. This pocket is secured with a zipper, and if I open it, I can put all my accessories here, and therefore it has 2 zones for equipment. You can put the laptop inside the bag and the other accessories in the external pocket. There are 2 ways to carrying this bag. You can hold it with the handles with your hands and carry it normally as you normally would, because there are sewn straps on the bag. Or you can use it with this strap. This strap has metal hooks on the ends, so you can attach it to the metal rings on both sides of the bag. And it's easy to put on. Put one hook on the right side, you just have to clip it, and then the other hook on the left side. And it looks safe and it doesn't come off easily. And now I can carry this bag on my shoulder with the strap on. The weight of this bag is supported on my shoulder, making it easier to carry. So I can choose if I want to carry this bag on my shoulder with the strap, or I can hold this bag with my hand, even though the strap is on. So there are 2 ways that you can carry this bag. So with this generic laptop bag, you can carry a 16-inch, 14-inch, or even a 12-inch portable computer, and the tablet, and even some notebooks for school. Although they don't all fit in the bag with the exact space, you can easily carry any computer with up to 16 inches in this bag. And this is a great choice for carrying your laptop computer, either to go to work, school, or keep it safe. Now let's do a demonstration. I have this 16-inch bag here and a 15.6-inch computer. Let's open the bag. We release the Velcro strap and let's put the computer inside. It has space. This is the computer we want. Put the computer at the lower part, sliding it to the bottom of the bag, and it fits perfectly. And we can put the Velcro strap to hold the computer, so the computer doesn't slip out of the bag when it's opened. There is even room for a second computer. We can close the bag with the computer, and the computer is safe and protected inside the bag. And on the outside, this is an external pocket where we'll be able to store some accessories, which uses a zipper to close. So let's put some accessories. I'll get some accessories that I have here, and I have the charger and the power cord. And I will put the charger and the cable on the pocket, and then close the pocket. And everything is safe inside this pocket. And now I can carry everything wherever I go, Everything is secured with zippers and straps and protected against impacts during transport. And I can take with me the notebook computer and all the accessories I may need. I hope you enjoy this product, but I have more bags and sleeves to show you, in case this bag isn't right for you. But now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video to help the channel grow, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.